Welcome to Optivise. In this video, we'll show you how to turn your Amazon listings into optimized Mirakl-ready products. First, log into Optivise and click Upload a product file. Select Amazon ASIN, then download our Excel template. Open the template, enter your child ASINs and their Amazon domains. Optionally, add your EAN and your SKU codes to skip manual entry later, then save the file. Back in Optivise, select your completed template and click Upload. Processing takes around 15 seconds per product. Once processed, click Select Marketplace and Optivise, choose your export marketplace, then hit Optivise. Feel free to close the page now and we'll email you when it's complete. When optimization completes, you can review your transformed products and their listing quality scores. You can review each listing in detail. Here you can see the Sun Loungers. We have analyzed the Amazon listings content and images to create a title, description, and filled in each facet. We've also flagged this product because its reach verification couldn't be confirmed. Any required attribute we can't confidently verify is marked for your review. Once you have finished reviewing, click Download XLSX or CSV at the top. Finally, head to Mirakl's Catalog Management and click Import. Then select your optimized file and upload. Your marketplace-ready products will be live shortly. Ready to get started? Try 3 SKUs for free at optivise.io.